Hello friends, welcome to C4 Career Classes. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic, that is blood relation, and that topic is very important for the all competitive exams. In a competitive exam, reasoning subject is there means surely they will ask a blood relation question. So let's discuss with the question, and before discussing the question you all know what are the relations, what is blood relation, right? Family relationship with the family is blood relation. And you all know father's father is grandfather, mother's father is grandfather. That are the things we all know, right? We all know. Now, how to approach a question, that is important. Yeah? That is, a sentence is given, complete sentence is given, and they are asking how is L related to M. Blood relation question, how we can approach. That is, convert the given sentence into family tree. Convert the given sentence into family tree or family chart. Now, you have to know how to draw a family chart or family tree. Clear? For that we can easily draw that, right? We can easily draw that. Just remember, for the male, whenever we are reading a question, when we understand the person, given person is male, put plus. And female is given means put minus. Rather than indicating male for M, female for F, we can use this symbols, plus for male, minus for female, right? Then for siblings, put a single dash. Siblings means brother, sister, we can use a single dash between them. Clear? And for a couples, use double dash. These are the simple notations used in the family tree or family chart. Whatever statement given, we are going to convert the statement into family tree or family chart. Okay? Then, father means above generation, son or daughter means lower generation. Clear? Now, A is the son of B. A is the son of B. How we can draw this? By reading this. A is the son of B. By reading this, what we can understand? A is son. A is son means what? A is male. Clear? Therefore, see, I am writing like this. A plus. From this, we have to understand A is male. Clear? A is the son of B. Son means what? A is at the lower generation. B is at the higher generation. Clear? That means we are writing at this level. A is the son of B. Clear? Then, but B is not the mother of A. Very important. But B is not the mother of A. A is the son of B. B is not the mother. Therefore, B will be what? Father. Good. B is father. So, I am writing B plus. Clear? Then, H is the daughter of B. H is the daughter of B means this B has one daughter. The daughter name is H. It is given. Now what we can say, how we can draw family chart? Daughter, lower level. Clear? H is the daughter of B. For B, H is the daughter. And these two persons are siblings. I already told you siblings, just put a single dash. Right? Put a single dash between A and H. Then, M is married to A. M is married to A. How we can denote this? Married. Couples. Couples means put a double dash. Right? M is married to A. That A plus is married to M. And A is plus. Therefore, this spouse is what? Minus. Clear? A male, M is female. Then, L is married to B. L is married to B. Again, B we have in our chart. In that, we are changing that, right? B is married to L. L is married to B. Therefore, B plus double dash L minus. B is married to L or L is married to B. Right? Then, how is L related to M? The question is, how is L related to M? This is the question. How we can find the answer? How is L related to M? That is, they are asking a relation of this L. Clear? Related to M. We have to find the answer for L. How is L related to M? Therefore, we need an answer for L. Clear? Now, from M, we have to check. From M, we are checking. That is, M's husband is A. Husband's mother. Husband's mother is what? Mother-in-law. How is L related to M as? Mother-in-law. Clear? How is L related to M as? Mother-in-law. I am saying this, if you can't understand, mother-in-law. Clear? Then, in the same question, if they are asking, how is M related to L? How is M related to L? That means find the answer for M. M related to L is, from here we have to check. Clear? How is M related to L? L's son's wife. Son's wife is what? Daughter-in-law. Son's wife is what? Daughter-in-law. So let's discuss with the second question. Now you all know how to draw a family chart or family tree, right? Let's try that for this question. M and J are the sisters. Clear? First line what is given? M, N, J are sisters. How we can convert into family chart? M sibling, so we are writing single dash, again M, N, J are sisters. From that word we can understand they are female, so put minus. M and J are sisters. Clear? J is the sister of H. J is the sister of H means already we know J is the sister of N and M, and according to this line J is the sister of H, right? Then comma, who is the son of P? This who represent the nearest person. There are connecting words in reasoning, in seating arrangement, blood relation, puzzle, whatever sentence type, there will be some connecting statements. Who, whose, whom. These are the words represent nearest. These are the words represent nearest person to this word, right? J is the sister of H. Who is the son of P? How we can draw this? This J minus is the sister of H. H, and we don't know the gender, right? Then what is given? Who is the son of P? From that we can understand H is plus. H is the son of P. By drawing this, what are the other things we can able to draw here is this J is the daughter of P, N is the daughter of P, M is the daughter of P. Clear? Then P is married to K. P is married to K. Can we able to write P is married to K double dash K? Clear? Then comma, who is the, again they are saying something about K, right? K comma, who is the daughter of L? Who is the daughter of L and O? Clear? So K is the daughter. So now we confirm P is married to double dash K. P is married to K. And who is the daughter of L and O? Therefore K minus P is plus. Clear? And this K is the daughter of L and O. That means L and O are married couples. L and O. Clear? And we don't know the gender of L. We don't know the gender of O also. Other all the person gender we can able to understand from the question. Then question is, how is H related to L? How is H related to L? That is, we have to find the answer for H. We have to read that carefully. How is H related to L? That means we have to find the answer for H from L. Find the relation of H. Clear? L daughter's son. L daughter's son is what? Grandson. Clear? Therefore, how is H related to L is grandson. Clear? We have to find the relation of H from L. Now, same question they will ask like this. That is, how is L related to H? Now, what is the answer for this question? I think can you able to read this? I say the question, how is L related to H? How is L related to H? That means find the answer for L from H. Clear? From H, what is the answer for L? That is next question, right? How is L related to H? H parent, right? H parent, mother is what? K. Mother's L. L gender is missing. Gender missing means what we can say? Easily we can say the answer as cannot be determined. Otherwise what will be the answer is, if you assume L is plus, what is the relation? Grandfather. When we consider L is male, answer will be grandfather. When we consider L is minus, answer is what? Grandmother. So simply you can find in a chart, gender missing means cannot be determined. If in the option they have given cannot be determined, go for cannot be determined. Otherwise, they have to give answer in this case. That is either grandfather or grandmother. When we substitute plus, one answer we will get. When we substitute female gender minus, we will get one answer. Right? Gender missing can't be determined. Otherwise, they have to give answer as either male gender relation or female gender relation. That is either grandfather or grandmother. Right? Now, in a question, they are giving one option like this. One option is cannot be determined given. Second option they have given either grandfather or grandmother given. And third option they have given grandfather. Fourth option they have given brother. And fifth option they have given sister. Now, what will be the answer? Gender missing cannot be determined. Clear? But here they have given this either grandfather or grandmother. Therefore, we have to go for this answer. Clear? Either case is there means we have to go for the gender missing. Otherwise, you can go for cannot be determined. Clear? Clear? And if you can't understand means, see, I will give some example like this. That is, one option is given can't be determined, one option grandfather, one option grandmother is given. They are not giving answer in either or case. These are the options. Cannot be determined, grandmother, grandfather, brother, sister. Now here what will be the answer? Cannot be determined is the answer. Always objective type questions, we have to choose the best one from the option. Clear? Here what is the answer? Cannot be determined. Previous example, what will be the answer? Either grandfather or grandmother. Simple logic is gender missing can't be determined. Otherwise, they have to give answer in either or case. For male one answer, for female one answer, we have to assume plus means what is the answer, minus means what is the answer. That either or case they have to give. Clear? Hope you all understand with the concepts and the questions what we have discussed today, and I have clearly explained the family chart, how to make a family chart, how to create a family chart. For advanced questions, for high level questions, please watch our C4 Career live classes. Thank you.